What if I told you there are 3 technology companies trading under $10 that analysts believe could skyrocket in value? Not penny stocks, not hype plays, but real growing businesses with revenue, strong management, and solid Wall Street support. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Flicks Hub, where we break down the market's most interesting investing opportunities, from undervalued tech stocks to big-picture market trends, all in simple, straightforward language. Today, we're diving into 3 overlooked tech stocks under $10 that analysts rate as strong buys with serious upside potential. Let's unpack them one by one, starting with a fintech player shaking up the payments world. 1. Priority Technology Holdings, ticker PRTH. Let's kick things off with Priority Technology Holdings, currently trading around $7 a share. Now, you've probably never heard of this company, and that's exactly what makes it interesting. Priority isn't trying to be flashy. They're quietly building the digital payments infrastructure that keeps thousands of businesses running. What they do. Priority is a fintech platform that helps small and mid-sized companies move money faster and more securely. From collecting payments to managing deposits and vendor transfers. They serve retailers, e-commerce stores, and even event organizers, offering a full suite of banking and payment tools that make business transactions simpler and more cost-efficient. Recent performance, Priority's latest earnings report. Surprised investors. They posted earnings per share of 0.26, beating expectations by a wide margin. Revenue came in at $239.8 million, up 9% year-over-year, showing strong growth despite a tough macro environment. The company also delivered double-digit profit growth, with adjusted EBITDA up 9% and gross profit up 13%. Why it matters? Fintechs that can stay profitable while expanding are rare, and Priority's doing exactly that. They've also tightened their full-year guidance to between $970 million and $990 million in revenue, suggesting a clear, stable growth path. Analyst outlook, Wall Street seems to agree. 5 analysts currently cover PRTH, 4 buys and 1 hold, for a strong buy consensus. The average price target, $11.50, implying a 61% upside. The most bullish call from B. Riley targets $16, which would more than double the stock's value. 2. PowerFleet, ticker AIOT. Next up, PowerFleet trading around $5 per share, and this one sits at the crossroads of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. What they do. PowerFleet builds AI-powered IoT systems that connect, track, and analyze fleets of vehicles, shipping containers, and equipment. In simple terms, they make it possible for companies to monitor every moving asset in real time, improve safety, and cut costs. Think of delivery trucks, forklifts, and logistics networks all feeding data into one intelligent platform. That's PowerFleet's world. Recent results. The company recently reported a loss per share of $0.08, missing expectations slightly. But revenue told a different story, up 38% year-over-year to $104 million, beating estimates. They've also achieved $11 million in annualized cost savings, and AI video bookings surged 52% quarter-over-quarter. That shows PowerFleet's push into AI-driven analytics is gaining real traction. Why it matters? PowerFleet isn't just selling hardware. They're moving toward a recurring revenue model built on data and SaaS solutions. That's what long-term investors want to see. Analyst outlook. 8 analysts currently cover AIoT, 7 buys and 1 hold, giving it another strong buy consensus. The average target price is $10, suggesting nearly a 100% upside, while the top target from B. Riley is $15, implying nearly 200% growth potential. Analysts also point to a massive $120 billion total addressable market, and PowerFleet's positioning could help it capture a meaningful slice of it. 3. Adtran, ticker ADTN. Last on our list is a company that's been building the backbone of high-speed internet for decades, Adtran, trading around $9 per share. What they do. Adtran is a global networking and communications company that designs fiber, optical, and cloud connectivity solutions. Their technology powers everything from local ISPs to large-scale government and enterprise networks. With the rise of 5G, fiber broadband, and data-heavy cloud applications. Demand for Adtran's technology has been picking up fast. Recent results. In their most recent quarter, Adtran posted flat EPS, basically break-even, but record revenue of $265 million, up 17% year-over-year. Their optical networking segment grew 22%, while access and aggregation revenue surged 30%, driven by strong demand for fiber-based connectivity. Why it matters. Adtran is well positioned in two major growth themes: the global fiber rollout and the 5G infrastructure upgrade cycle. They're also benefiting from government funding for broadband expansion, which could boost demand for their equipment over the next few years. Analyst outlook. Adtran currently holds 6 analyst ratings, 5 buys and 1 hold, for a strong buy consensus. The average target price is $12.20, suggesting about a 33% upside, while the high estimate is $16, which could mean 75% potential growth. Final thoughts. So to recap, here are the 3 tech stocks under $10 that analysts believe have room to run. Priority Technology, PRTH, a growing fintech improving small business payments. PowerFleet AIOT, an AI plus IoT company transforming how fleets operate. Adtran, ADTN, a networking leader, helping build the next generation of internet infrastructure. All 3 have strong buy ratings, double-digit revenue growth, and upside potential ranging from 30% to over 100%, according to Wall Street estimates. Remember, this isn't investment advice. Always do your own research, evaluate your risk tolerance, and understand that no stock under $10 is ever risk-free. But for investors who like to get in early, these names might be worth watching closely in the months ahead. Thanks for watching, and if you found value in this breakdown, make sure you hit that like button. Share this with someone who loves discovering early growth stories, and subscribe to Finance Flicks Hub for more weekly deep dives into stocks, strategy, and financial intelligence. Stay informed, stay focused, and as always, invest with purpose.